Hi guys, welcome back. This is Shobna. We are going to start with two new services. We're going to do one new facial and one new hair spa with red wine. Yes, you heard me correct. It's with red wine. We're going to start with red wine facials and red wine hair spa. So you can combine together or you can do it separately, because the wine facial will take approximately 75 minutes and wine spa will take approximately like 75 minutes to, I can say, 2 hours. So this is something we wanted to start, and it is going to give a tremendous results on your skin. People who have like really bad hair fall and itchy scalp and dandruff, so hair spas are like absolutely fine. Like, it just gives you instant result. And wine facials for people who have like dull skin, and because of winter or sun, whatever it is, if your skin is looking like dull, then wine facials will just like brighten up your the complete face, and it's going to be a really wonderful experience. You can just have it. And we are going to use the best red wine, and there is no compromise in that, and you know that I don't get compromised with my quality. So it's going to be like wonderful. So try to make an appointment and call me for further details. I can explain you more better. And we're going to start the services from February 20th. That's right after the President's Day weekend. And because the summer is right in the corner, you need to take care of your hair and the skin, and these two things will really work wonderful on your hair and the skin. So trust me, and just feel free to call me, and whenever you have a chance, just come and ask for further details. Me or my staff will help you whenever. And we are open from Monday to Saturday, start 11 to 7. You can go to my website, you can just make online booking, you can call us, you can just make the appointments. So we are really excited to start this, and just come over and experience that. It will be a wonderful experience, and you will really love your skin and hair. Trust me, it's going to be a wonderful experience. So feel free to call me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. See you then. Thank you. Bye.